are using Keelvar for all of our sourcing events in Europe. It's our, let's say, designated platform for procurement. It's the place to go when we have to use sourcing. We have implemented this in 2020, so roughly 4 years ago. Find that it's very easy to use, very straightforward. We constantly have new users being added to the platform. Training is quite straightforward, so overall we are quite happy with the product. I think what's great about the Keelvar Connect is actually that you get to meet other customers of Keelvar to understand what their challenges are, what other opportunities you could also find from their experience. And I'm really looking forward to the bot demo workshop as well as the sourcing optimizer. I would like to learn more about the sourcing optimizer from the Keelvar experts, but as well from other customers. I think what's important is that we are dealing with more, let's say, scarcity of resources and especially human resources. So from my perspective, what, let's say, robots can take over is the work for the humans that is not really bringing too much value to the table.